Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Shelby Cobra 427 SC and this is by Hotwheels from their color shifter series. So again I didn't buy this in India. So I bought this in Malaysia during my trip. So a lot of people are asking me those questions in comments, whether which country I am from and where I am buying this from and all this thing. So I bought this physically during my trip to Malaysia. So oh my god, I am going to pause my video for a minute now. Okay guys, here it is. I'm really sorry for the noise, there's so much of stray dogs and they're just shouting. Okay, so the grill detail looks really nice. It doesn't have any headlight details, I don't know, because it's a color shifter I guess. And it does have this flame livery which looks really nice. Even the paint job on this, it is not exactly a paint job I guess, but it is a glittery, it is actually glittering, which is really nice. And doesn't have any tail light detail as well. Okay, so the interior is plastic and even the body, it feels plastic, I'm not sure. Okay, that is metal and the chassis feels metal, but but I think it's plastic because this part here that gives away that this is plastic, the silencer or the exhaust, if you may. Okay, that looks really cool actually. Okay, the chassis actually has a little bit of detailing to it. Honestly, when it comes to color shifter, there is nothing much to talk because they remove all the details just because it is shifting the color. And honestly, see, I like I told in my previous video, I do have that Lancer Evolution, which is in that this kind of this green color which turns into that purple color that looks absolutely gorgeous. The very first one I bought during 2015 or 2016, over time it lost that ability to change color. So I bought the other one, so which I did video on it, and I don't know when that is going to lose that property. Okay, so let's you know put it in ice water and see how this changes. Okay, let me just put this inside. Oh my god, that is so much nice. Okay, it doesn't change exactly to a different color entirely. Okay guys, here it is. I'm really sorry, you guys need to bear with the noise because I can't, it's been going on for 20 minutes. I really want to continue with my recording at this point. Okay, so it just changed it to yellow color from light yellow to a bit of the darker yellow, but nothing much, honestly. So, but casting wise, it looks really nice. But see, in this card, if you see it shows like it needs to change the color from white to yellow, but it is not. It was already like a little bit of on yellow side, and it just changed to a darker yellow. That's it. But the livery and everything looks really nice. I'm happy about it. But overall, they could have went with again, a dark red or something like that. So because Major did this really well when it comes to color changes. I mean, they given a eye popping color and then they switched it to a different color, and that was really nice compared to this one and the last one which we did, the Pontiac. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.